So welcome guys, आपका स्वागत है मेरे channel. My name is Shivam Dixit and as you know, I have uploaded a video around 10 days ago regarding POPSK. How you can change your RPO if you are getting any default type RPO. Like in my case, I was getting daily default and I was unable to change. That's why I have given you how you can change your RPO so you can get the nearest POPSK or PSK. Okay. POPSK means Passport Office. Sorry, Post Office Passport Seva Kendra, and PSK means simple Passport Seva Kendra. So now you can see this is the appointment details. Okay, this is the PDF which you will get after you make payment and schedule a appointment. Okay, you can see I have got an appointment on 23rd of June 2025 around 10 to 10:30. Okay. So 10:15 was my reporting time. So the main thing is around all the India, every appointment which have been scheduled has been cancelled due to any technical issue. Then I'm connecting with the recent news because as you have known, around 16 billion of credentials has been stolen and posted on the dark web. So I think some of the credentials were from this Passport Seva Kendra. So I think that was the issue. I think I'm getting that. Okay. There might be many issues, but I'm connecting with that. But now your question is what now? What next? So they're saying please reschedule your appointment, but you are unable to reschedule. As you know, whenever I'm good, so the website takes like billions of years to reload. Okay, and even if you get a reload and luckily got a login, so whenever you book an appointment, there is a alert saying undefined, means there is a technical issue. So actually if you go to the console, you will be getting that there is name undefined. Okay, so that means there is some server and database error. I think I'm connecting another error which might be like this. Any attacker who gone to the database of who get the access to the database or through any injection again, I don't know, and he has removed all the database entries, and there my details and all the details are unable to fetch. Okay, so that might be the issue. So I think there I had catched two issues. That could be the issues. Okay. And so this is a recording which I have done with the customer center or the Seva Kendra, Passport Seva Kendra Online National Center. I don't know what is the name. The number is 180-258-1800. 1-800-258-1800. I think this is the number. Okay. I'll mention the correct number. If this is not, then this call also. So this is a recording which I have done with the Passport Seva Kendra. Before that, let me show you the message which I have got from the Passport Seva Kendra. My appointment has been cancelled. Okay, this has been done with all over the India, not with you only, guys. Dear applicant, your appointment for 23rd June at PSK/POPSK has been suspended due to technical issue. Request you to reschedule appointment as per your convenience. Passport Seva Kendra. So they said please try in the night around 11 to 12 a.m. Okay, 11 p.m. to 12 a.m. Okay, so that was all the video. If you get any issue other issue, then please comment. I'll try to give insight over it and 100% try to give any solution if I can. So that was the video, and thank you very much for staying that much last in this video, and I appreciate your efforts and your patience, and thank you very much.